cannot change password on Ally Invest Fix. If you've been trying to change your Ally Invest password and it just won't work, you're not alone. Many users face this issue, but most people make one small mistake that blocks the reset completely. The good news is, it's usually a quick fix once you know the steps. First, make sure you're using the official Ally website or mobile app. Go to Ally Cam and click Login, then select Forgot Username or Password. If you're already logged in, head to Profile and Settings and tap Security. That's where you can update your password. On the app, open the menu, choose Settings, and select Change Password. Now, if you've requested a password reset link and it hasn't arrived, check your spam or junk folder. Ally's security emails are automated and can get flagged as suspicious by some filters. Also, double-check that the email on file is the same one tied to your account. If you recently changed your email, the reset will go to the old one, unless you've updated it in your settings first. When creating your new password, remember Ally's strict security requirements. It must be between 8 and 20 characters, include uppercase and lowercase letters, at least one number, and one special character. Avoid reusing your last password or including parts of your username. If your new password doesn't meet these rules, Ally System may reject it silently. If you still can't update it, clear your browser cache or update the Ally app to the latest version. Sometimes outdated software or saved cookies cause conflicts. Turning off F-insert blockers can also help since they sometimes interfere with secure logins. And if none of this works, contact Ally's customer support. They can verify your identity and help you reset your password quickly. So, the next time your Ally Invest password won't change, don't stress. It's not a system failure, it's just a matter of knowing how to reset it the right way.